I'm going to give you the best piece of mindset advice you need in order to succeed in your health journey. I'm Edgar, I lost 100 pounds in a year, and now my goal is to help people improve their health. Today is going to be a very quick video where I'm going to tell you, in my opinion, the basics of the mindset you need to have if you want to succeed in your health journey long term. It's easy to change in the short term, to lose a little bit of weight or to start new habits, but keep doing the same things over time is a hard thing to do if you don't have the right mindset. Let's get into it. First and most important thing that you need to understand is that consistency is where the gold is. It doesn't matter if you are perfect or not. It doesn't matter if you show up every time you need or not. Yes, you'll make faster progress if you always do things right, but the most important thing is that you keep showing up every week and then every month and then every year. Because if you're perfect, but maybe you stop after 2 or 3 months because you're burnt out, that doesn't work. But if you are, let's say, not perfect, you miss some days, you said to yourself, maybe you're going to go to the gyms 4 times a week, and 1 week you go 2 times, and another week you go 4 times, and you aren't perfect, but you're trying your best and you keep pushing, you'll make way more progress and you'll have better gains than the man who's trying to be perfect. So stop trying to be perfect. That's a really important thing to understand. Same things with workout, for example. There is no perfect workout plan. There is no perfect exercises. One phrase I love is the best workout plan is the one you can stick to, because it's just the truth. If there is some exercise that are, let's say, better to eat the pecs, or they are more efficient in a way or another, but doing this exercise make you a little bit bored of the gym and make the gym less enjoyable, so you go less or you push yourself less hard, that's not the most optimal exercise. The most optimal exercise is the one who allows you to be in your best condition and to show up every time and to want to go to the gym. So for this example in particular, the best workout plan is the one you can stick to. Same for your diet. Yes, there is some foods that are bad for you, and yes, it would be better if you could eat only healthy foods and everything, but if eating, let's say, maybe a pastry 2 or 3 times a week allows you to eat well all the rest of the week, that's great, because maybe someone will try to eat no pastries at all, but he only will be able to stick to this diet for like 1 to 2 weeks, and then he will fail miserably and he will go back to his old diet. When the guy who allows himself to keep some things that he enjoys, even though it isn't necessarily healthy, it will be way easier for him to improve his diet sustainably. So don't seek perfection, seek consistency. Now for the second one, I want to give you a little example. Let's say you're in a car. You don't feel the speed at which you're traveling. Maybe you're going 80 miles per hour. You don't feel the speed in the car. Or an even better example would be if you're in a train and you jump in the train, you won't fly back. You'll just like jump into place because you don't feel the speed. That's the same for consistency and habit. If you're used to eating almost perfectly and going to the gym 6 times a week or 5 times a week and training really, really hard, you're doing this for years, it will be easy for you. You won't feel the speed. Okay? But let's take the example of the car again. When you're going from 40 miles to 80 miles, you feel the acceleration. Okay? You feel that you're increasing the speed and going fast. You sink into your seat. And if you jump in the train, when it really accelerates, you will go back, okay? So it's exactly the same in life. If you're at 40 kilometers in your health journey and maybe you're doing well, but you're far from perfect, maybe, I don't know, you implemented some vegetables and you're eating a little bit better and you maybe working out 2 times a week and you want to go to full blast training 6 times a week and eating only whole foods and no sugar at all perfect, it will be really, really hard. You'll feel the acceleration a lot. But if you increase bit by bit and you make it a habit, you make the speed constant, it will be then easy for you to maintain and you'll be able to go to the next level. So what I wanted to say with this car example is that you need to stop trying to skip steps, okay? So go bit by bit, step by step. Don't be arrogant. Don't think that you can get everything perfectly from the beginning. Maybe you'll be able to, but the chances that you'll be able to hold on to that and hold on to the standard until the end of your life is really, really low. Okay, so go step by step, make improvements even if they don't seem that big, and keep working towards your goal without accelerating too fast towards it. And last piece of advice, which is the most important one, and if you don't get this one right, the two others that I told you, so consistency and going at the right speed, won't serve you for anything. It's starting. You need to start. And I know that some people love watching videos like this. They love reading books, getting more knowledge in, and what they're doing in reality is they're procrastinating. Okay, so they are thinking they are productive because they are learning new things, but the only thing that makes you productive is acting. And if you don't start getting healthier, even though you don't know precisely how to do the exercise, even though you don't know perfectly what foods are good for you or not, if you don't start and make mistakes, you won't be able to be productive, you won't be able to improve, and you won't be able to reach your goals. So the last piece of mindset advice is drill into your head that you will only get progress and you will only achieve your goals if you start. If you never start, there is no way you'll achieve anything. I know it's common sense, but some people really need to hear this. So the three best pieces of mindset advice for health, in my opinion, are consistency over perfection, always. Second one is speed. So don't skip steps in your health journey. Don't go too fast. Don't be arrogant. Make improvement that you can keep doing over time, and you'll ultimately reach your goal. And last one is start. If you don't start, you will never reach your goals. It's the end of this video. Please check for the link of my newsletter in the description. It's really my best work. I work really hard on it. It's step-by-step guides and advice on how to improve your health. If you enjoyed this video, you'll definitely enjoy my newsletter. Subscribe to be notified for my next videos. I always appreciate you staying until the end. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Stay healthy.